Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can post Facebook and Instagram at the same time. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your account's timeline. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will open up. Here, tap on the three bars at top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy from inside of it. Now, access the Account Center through this button. Once you are inside, tap on the Sharing Across Profiles feature and make sure that both of your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked. If they are, then you can just start posting and it will be uploaded on both accounts simultaneously. So that's basically how you can post Facebook and Instagram at the same time. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.